Hi guys, are you having a wonderful day today? I certainly hope so. Let's get reading. Today we have a little Einstein's book called Rocket's Hiccups. And today we have Pink Owl joining in listening to the story. Who's listening to the story with you? Awesome! Let's get started. Today Rocket is going to fly in the great sky race. Rocket will win, says Annie. Hiccup! Something is wrong with Rocket. Hiccup! Uh-oh, says Leo. Oh no, says June. He can't race with Hiccups. To fix Rocket's hiccups, says Quincy, we have to surprise him. We have a mission, Leo shouts. We will surprise Rocket to stop his hiccups. How can the little Einstein surprise Rocket? They go to Orchestra Ocean to get some cymbals. Do you see the cymbals? Quincy hides behind Rocket. He claps the cymbals together. Crash! Rocket jumps up and his hiccups are gone. Hiccup! Rocket still has hiccups. June has another plan. They fly to a tropical jungle that looks like a famous painting of Henry Rossignol. June asks the tiger to roar at Rocket. Roar, roar, goes the tiger. Hiccup, hiccup, goes Rocket. We need another surprise, says Annie. Do you guys ever get the hiccups? Do you see anything that might surprise Rocket? Squeak, goes a little mouse. Zoom, goes Rocket, way up in the air. June says that little mouse was a big surprise for Rocket. No more hiccups. Let's go to the race, yells Leo. Go, Rocket! At the race, Rocket flies past a helicopter. He passes Big Jet. Can you clap your hands to make Rocket go faster? That's it! Go, Rocket, go! You help Rocket win the great sky race, thanks, says Leo. Mission completion! The end. Did you guys like this story? I certainly hope so. All right, remember to read some more stories today because they make you super smart. Till next time.